Hi friends, welcome to our new video where we'll be talking about star delta starter. In this video, we will explain what is star delta starter, what is the working principle star delta starter, and what would you say if you were asked in an interview. Without wasting time, let's start this video. A star delta starter is a type of motor starter that is used to start high-power, three-phase induction motors. It is also known as a Y-delta starter, as it connects the motor windings in a Y-star configuration during the starting period and then changes to a delta configuration once the motor is up to speed. What is star delta starter? In a typical application, the star delta starter is used to start a motor with the higher rating or a motor with high starting torque. When the motor is started, it draws a very high starting current, which can cause damage to the motor winding or trip the protective devices. The star delta starter reduces the starting current by first connecting the motor windings in a star configuration, and then switching to a delta configuration after the motor has reached a certain speed. The working principle star delta starter. The star delta starter works by reducing the starting current of the motor, which can be several times higher than the rated current, thereby preventing damage to the motor and the electrical system. The starter achieves this by initially connecting the three windings of the motor in a star configuration, where the voltage applied to each winding is reduced to 1/3 of the line voltage. This reduces the current flowing through each winding to 1/3 of its rated current. Once the motor reaches a predetermined speed, typically around 80% of its rated speed, the starter switches the winding configuration to delta. In the delta configuration, the voltage applied to each winding is equal to the line voltage, and the current flowing through each winding is equal to the rated current. The switching between the star and delta configurations is achieved by a set of contactors that are controlled by a timer or a PLC, programmable logic controller. The timer or PLC ensures that the switching occurs only after the motor has reached a certain speed and that the transition is smooth and controlled. If you are asked in the interview that what is star delta starter, then you can say this. A star delta starter is a type of motor starter used to start high-power, three-phase induction motors. It works by reducing the starting current of the motor, which can be several times higher than the rated current, by initially connecting the motor windings in a star configuration and then switching to a delta configuration once the motor is up to speed. This switching is controlled by a set of contactors that are controlled by a timer or a PLC. Overall, a star delta starter is a crucial component in ensuring the efficient and safe operation of high-power three-phase induction motors. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.